In this video, we're going to do the derivative of x to the x times sine x all over ln x. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the video. Okay, so we're going to look at the derivative of functions f over g. This is the quotient rule, so this is the bottom function times the derivative of the top function minus the top function minus the derivative of the bottom function all over g squared, the bottom function squared. And the derivative of f times g, which is the product rule, this will be g f prime plus f g prime. And you can see how similar this and this are. The sign's different, so that's how people remember it. Okay. Also, we need the derivative x to the x, the derivative of sine x, which is cosine x, and the derivative ln x, which is 1 over x. So let's look at the derivative of x to the x. This will be, so every function x can be written as e to the ln of x, given that x is bigger than 0, of course, because ln of non-negative is not defined, or 0. So this can be written as e to the ln x, all raised to the x. We can multiply the powers in, so we can multiply x times ln x, which is e to the x times ln x. The derivative of e to the something is the same e to the something times the derivative of x ln x, which is a product rule. So that would be the first, times the derivative of the second, which is 1 over x, plus the second times the derivative of x, which is 1. But what is this? This is just x to the x, rewritten. So we have ln x plus x over x will cancel, will just be 1. Okay. So now on another screen, we're going to do the derivative. So the bottom function is ln x times the derivative of the top function, which is x to the x times sine x prime, which will be a product rule, minus the bottom function, which is x to the x sine x times the derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x, all over the bottom function squared. Okay. The derivative of x to the x times sine x would be a product rule, so that would be ln x. It will be x to the x times the derivative of the second, which is cosine x, plus sine x times the derivative of x to the x, which we just found out is x to the x times 1 plus ln x. Okay, and we have minus x to the x. So we have x to the x, and then 1 over x is x to the minus 1. We can multiply the powers in, so that would be x to the x minus 1 times sine x all over ln x squared. It's hard to see right now, but we'll get there. We're going to factor out x to the x minus 1 over ln x quantity squared. That means we have to multiply an x to the parts that have x to the x only. So that'll be x ln x cosine x plus, okay, we're going to have another x ln x sine x times 1 plus ln x. And then finally minus, our final thing is sine x. So we're going to write it as that, or just plus minus sine x. And then all multiplied by x to the x minus 1 over ln x quantity squared. And that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it.